Good morning, children. I continue Act 4, Scene 1 from line 54. Ceres, hail many-colored messenger that never dost disobey the wife of Jupiter. Now, who is the wife of Jupiter? That is Juno, the queen of sky. And the rainbow, that is many-colored messenger, that is rainbow, is the messenger of Juno. Alright? And he never disobeys Juno. So, Ceres greets him. Who with thy saffron wings upon my flowers diffused honey drops, refreshing showers. And then Ceres tells the rainbow that with your saffron wings, with your saffron color, you drop down honey on my flowers. And honey is what? Raindrops. And when the raindrops fall on flowers, they are refreshed. Raindrop is like a refreshing shower. And with each end of thy blue bow dost crown rich scarf to my proud earth. And with the blue color of his wings, the rainbow covers the proud earth. And the blue color is like a rich scarf to the earth. Why had thy queen summoned me hither? And then Ceres asked Iris, the rainbow, that why your queen, that is Juno, has called me to this short grass green, to this grassy spot. Iris, a contract of true love to celebrate, and some donation freely to estate on the blessed lovers. Then Iris tells Ceres that Juno has called you here to celebrate the contract of love, that is the engagement of Ferdinand and Miranda, and some donation freely to estate, and to donate blessings to the lovers. Ceres, tell me heavenly bow. Now Ceres tells Iris that tell me heavenly bow here refers to Iris because it is a rainbow in the heaven. If Venus or her son, as thou dost know, do now attend the queen. Now Ceres asks Iris that with your queen Juno, is Venus and her son with her? Venus is the goddess of love, and her son is Cupid, who is the god of love. And Cupid is supposed to be blind. And it is believed that when he shoots an arrow, the arrow which hits a person, that person falls in love. So she says that goddess Venus and her son is with Juno or not. She's inquiring. Since they did plot the means that dusky disk, this disk here refers to Pluto, and that is the god of darkness, so here she's god of death. This is also known as Pluto and god of death. So what happened? Pluto he abducted का मतलब होता अपहरण करा. प्लूटो ने सेरेस की जो डॉटर थी उसका नाम है प्रोसरपिना को अगवा करा था और अपने अंडरवर्ल्ड में ले गया था. ठीक है, विद द हेल्प ऑफ वीनस एंड क्यूपिड. वीनस और क्यूपिड ने डिस्क की हेल्प की थी सेरेस की डॉटर प्रोसरपिना को अबडक्ट करने की, अगवा करने की. ठीक है, डॉटर गॉट हर एंड हर ब्लाइंड बॉयज स्कैंडल का मतलब होता है डिस्ग्रेसफुल कंपनी आई हैव फॉरसॉन. क्योंकि वीनस ने और उसके सन ने प्रोसरपिना को डिस्क के साथ भेजने में हेल्प की थी, इसलिए सेरेस उनसे एंग्री है. सेरेस इज वेरी एंग्री विद वीनस एंड अ सन, एंड शी हैज टेकन एन ओथ. फॉरसॉन मीन्स टेकन एन ओथ. उसने कसम खाई है कि वो कभी भी वीनस और उसके बेटे की डिसग्रेसफुल कंपनी में कभी भी नहीं रहेगी. Iris, of her society be not afraid. Then Iris says, don't be afraid. She is not with Queen Juno. I met her deity here means goddess, cutting the clouds towards Paphos, and a son, dove drawn with her. Now, जो वीनस की जो सवारी है, जो चैरियट है, वो कौन ड्राइव करता है? डव्स, वाइट डव्स. ठीक है, जैसे कि जूनो की जो चैरियट है उसको ड्राइव कौन करता है? पीकॉक. ऐसे ही वीनस की करता है डव्स. तो आरिस इज टेलिंग दैट don't be afraid, Venus is not there. She has gone on her chariot, which is drawn by the dove, with her son to Paphos. Paphos is the place where this Venus was born, her birthplace. Here thought they to have done some wanton charm upon this man and maid. And here also they wanted to do some mischief. Venus and Cupid wanted to do some mischief on Ferdinand and Miranda, whose woes are. But Ferdinand and Miranda have taken an oath that no bed right shall be paid ere Hymen's torch be lighted. Hymen is the god of marriage, and it is believed that he carries a torch, a lamp, and at the marriage ceremony that lamp is lighted. So Venus and her son Cupid tried to do some mischief with the couple so that they may be physically intimate, but they have taken an oath that they will not be husband and wife physically till the marriage ceremony is solemnized. So they couldn't fulfill their aim, so they were angry, and Venus and her son went away. But in vain. They tried, but it was useless. Mars's hot minion. Mars is the god of war, and hot minion here refers to the darling of Mars, and Venus is the darling of Mars, is returned again. So she has gone back to her birthplace, Paphos, with a son. Her waspish-headed son, waspish means irritated, has broke his arrows. Now Cupid was very irritated that whatever he wanted to do, वो जो mischief वो करना चाहता था वो नहीं हुई, तो he was angry. So उसने क्या करा? He broke his arrow, जिस arrow से वो shoot करता है. Swears he will shoot no more, and he's taken an oath कि अब वो arrows नहीं shoot करेगा, but play with sparrows. यहाँ पर arrow और sparrow match कर रहा है. So but he will play with sparrows and be a right boy right out. And now he will be like any other boy, simple. Ceres, highest queen of state, great Juno. Great Juno, she is the highest queen because she stays in the heaven. I know her by her gait. She says Juno is coming. She hasn't seen Juno, but she can come to know by the way of her walk, by the manner of her walk. Gait means manner of walk. Enter Juno. Juno, how does my bounteous sister? Juno here greets Ceres, and how does she address Ceres? Bounteous. Bounteous means generous. Go with me to bless this train. And she says, come with me to this spot and let us go and bless this train. Train refers to couple. And who's the couple? Ferdinand and Miranda. That they may prosper, be and honored in the issue. It says, so that their marriage may be successful and they may have blessings of marriage, that is children. Song. And all these blessings are given to the couple, not just saying the words. It is sung. So on the stage, it's a very spectacular scene. A rainbow in such beautiful colors, and then goddess Juno is there, goddess Ceres, goddess of agriculture is there, and a song is going on, and Juno blesses the couple by singing. And what blessing she gives to the couple? Honor, that their marriage may bring honor to them, riches, they may be wealthy, marriage blessings, all the marriage blessings, that means they may have issues, they may have children, long continuous, they may have long life, and increasing early joys. And their long life, in their long life, every hour may bring more joy to them. Be still upon you. So all these things will be upon them. Juno sings her blessings upon you, and she sings these blessings for the couple: honor, riches, children, long life, and joy. Ceres, arts increase poison plenty, barns and garners never empty. Now she is the goddess of agriculture, so she blesses them with lots of earth's increase. Earth's increase means earth's production. Whatever earth produces, grains, vegetables, fruits, all that she blesses them. How much? Poison plenty. Poison plenty means lots of, abundance में, बहुत सारा. उनको इतना अर्थ का प्रोड्यूस मिले that their barns means storehouse, and garners also means storehouse, never empty. इतना उनके घर में हमेशा इतना खाने पीने की चीजें रहें कि कभी किसी चीज की कमी ना रहे, उनके स्टोर हाउसेस कभी भी एम्प्टी ना रहें. वाइन्स एंड क्लस्टरिंग बंचेस ग्रोइंग, और ग्रेप वाइन्स उनके गार्डन में खूब अच्छे से होते रहे और उसमें क्लस्टर्स में, बंचेस में ग्रेप्स हों. प्लांट्स विद गुडली बर्डन बोइंग, स्प्रिंग कम टू यू एट द फर्दरेस्ट. और फ्रूट ट्रीज इतने ज्यादा नीचे बेंड हो जाए, जब एक किसी ट्री में बहुत सारे फ्रूट्स होते हैं तो वो बेंड हो जाता है, तो बेंडिंग टाइप के फ्रूट ट्रीज हों जिसमें खूब फ्रूट्स लगे हों. स्प्रिंग कम टू एट द फर्दरेस्ट, हमेशा तुम्हारे घर में स्प्रिंग रहे. स्प्रिंग में सब चीजें रहती हैं. हार्वेस्टिंग, इन द वेरी एंड ऑफ हार्वेस्ट के टाइम पे एवरीथिंग यू मे गेट एवरीथिंग व्हाट यू डिजायर. स्कैरसिटी एंड वांट का मतलब घटी, लैकिंग. शैल शन यू, तुम्हारे घर में कभी भी स्कैरसिटी, किसी भी चीज की कमी नहीं रहेगी. Ceres's blessing so is on you, and this is the blessing of Ceres. Ferdinand, this is a most majestic vision, and he says that this is very majestic, grand vision है ये तो. God is coming and blessing us, and harmoniously, charmingly. क्योंकि ये the blessings are given to them with music, very beautiful, no? May I be bold to think these spirits, and then he says, may I think that they are spirits, Prospero, spirits which by my art I have from their confines called to enact my present fancies. So he says, yes, they are spirits, and I have called them from wherever they are living, from their confines का मतलब जब जगह जहाँ वो रहते हैं, I have called them here so that they can enact out, वो act कर सकती हैं my present fancy, जो उसने सोचा है, जो उसने imagine किया है. वो इस वक्त चाहता था जैसे कि जूनो मेरी बेटी को bless करे और सेरेस bless करे, इसीलिए उसने spirits को बुलाया और उनको बोला कि इस फॉर्म में आए. Ferdinand, let me live here forever. So he is so happy with all this vision. इतना सुंदर उसको ये विजन लग रहा है कि वो कह रहा है कि let me live here forever. वो इस isolated और desolate island में जिंदगी भर रहना चाहता है. So rare a wondered father and a wise makes this place paradise. तो ये कह रहा है कि my father-in-law is a wonderful man and he is very wise, बहुत ही समझदार and wise person है, and because of his wisdom he has made this place a paradise. ये जो island है क्या बन गया है? Paradise. Paradise means heaven. Juno and Ceres whisper and send Iris on employment. So they whisper and they send Iris for some work. Prospero, sweet now silence. Juno and Ceres whisper seriously. There's something else to do. Hush and be mute, or else our spell is marred. So Prospero tells Ferdinand and Menander not to speak, to be quiet, because Juno and Ceres are whispering something seriously, and they have ordered Iris for some other work, and very soon some other vision will come in front of you, and if you speak, then the spell will be marred. Marred means destroyed. Okay? So I will continue from here in my next video. I hope you have understood.